Hello, everyone. My name is Ijoma Ahoma. I'm a lawyer, and you can just call me Jovial Lawyer. Okay, so I'm a legal practitioner by profession, like I said earlier. And then I decided to start this particular YouTube channel. So this actually is my first video here on this particular YouTube channel where I will be discussing legal issues, legal matters, and we'll be breaking the law down to the understanding of everyone so that you'll be able to understand. Because in law, I know we have a lot of legal jargons, and most times people don't really understand some of these things. So I'll just be bringing it down to your level. We'll be discussing so many issues that are bothering us, our laws and all of that. So what really made me start this particular YouTube channel was some days ago I was on Facebook, and then there's this video that was trending on Facebook. A pastor that his church was demolished, and then after the church was demolished, some of the church members, they put up a video, and the video was trending. It was on a Sunday morning. These people just came and demolished this church. They destroyed their speakers, they destroyed their tents, they destroyed their amp, many things. So many things they destroyed in this church, and it was wrong. So many people were like saying this is wrong. Why would they do that and all of that? So it caused a lot of so much talk on Facebook. So many people were saying a lot of things, and then some people were like, "Are you sure they didn't give you notice?" He said they didn't give him any notice. The pastor said he didn't give him any notice, and then some people were like, "I'm sure they gave him notice." But as time went on, they started digging into the matter, and then they found out somebody went and dug out a notice that the police had put up on this land and said, "We're giving you a 1 week notice to leave this land, to vacate the land." And I started seeing people's comments saying, "Hey, they gave you notice, now you didn't leave." And I'm like, what? Like the police does not have a right to put up that kind of notice on a piece of land. And I heard that this land is in court. Two parties are contesting the land. So this pastor rented this land from one of the parties, and the other party now sold the land in question to a police officer that lives in Abuja. So that one now contacted the police in Imo State, in Owerri, and then they now went to this land, put up this notice that says that the pastor and the church should vacate the land in 1 week. And then they didn't vacate, and they came on a Sunday morning when they were having service and destroyed the entire place, destroyed the tent, destroyed the speakers and everything. So people started saying the notice was put up, and I was like, no. I just noticed that so many people don't even know their rights. So many people don't know there are certain things that we are supposed to know. And one of such is that the police does not have such right to put up that kind of notice on a land that is in court. Okay, it's only the high court. It's only a judge, a court of competent jurisdiction. That is a court that can put up that kind of notice and ask them to vacate this land. The police do not have such rights. There's what we call the Police Act. The Police Act is a piece of legislation that, just like a law, is a law that tells the police their rights, their duties, their powers. It defines their powers, their rights, and their duties. And one of such is they do not have right over land matters. So it was really wrong for the police to put up that kind of notice in the first place. They don't even have that kind of right to do that. Some of us, we just feel because they are police, they have right to do everything. No, there are certain things that the police do not have the right to do. This person now went and sold the land to a police officer, and because he feels he's a police officer, he has so much power. No, it's an abuse of the powers of the police for them to do that kind of thing. So this is the reason why I decided to start this YouTube channel, to educate us on certain things that we ought to know, so that we will not watch our rights being trampled on. We will not feel that police has all the powers to do all things and all of that. There are certain things that the police cannot do. They don't have the power to do that. They don't have the right to do some certain things. But we, as litigants, we as the people, as clients, we just go out there and, hey, somebody is dragging your land with you, go and call police. It's wrong. There are certain things you shouldn't even bother contacting the police. You just go and meet a lawyer, and the lawyer will be in the best position to advise you. So this is one of the reasons that, in fact, this is the reason that made me decide to start this YouTube channel, where I'll be breaking down the law to everybody's level, so everybody will understand. Layman. When I say layman, I'm not trying to insult you. What I'm trying to say is that when it has to do with law, you are a layman. Because you can be an engineer watching me, you can be a medical doctor in your area. I'm a layman in the medical profession because I'm not a doctor. So that's what I mean when I say layman. I'm just trying to say that what I'm trying to say is that in the area of law, you may not really know much. So I'm here. I'm not saying that I know everything, but the little ones that I've seen in practice, at least by God's grace, I've been in practice since 2010, since I was called to bar in the year 2010. So I've been able to gather a little experience of the law. So that's what we're going to be doing on this YouTube channel. So this is my first video on this particular YouTube channel, and I want you to keep a date with me. Next time we're going to be having wonderful, beautiful topics we are going to be discussing. Okay, so I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, like this video, and invite your friends to come watch and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Together we'll be discussing so many things, and it's going to be a wonderful ride with me, your jovial lawyer. So goodbye, see you on my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, have a nice day.